We have Malik Mohamed, the Director of Business Intelligence at Pulse Hotels. Malik will be presenting on business intelligence for tourism, a topic that is incredibly relevant in today's data-driven world. Malik, are you ready? Ladies and gentlemen, Malik.
Hi, very good morning to everyone. So after a very interesting insight into shaping the future of, insights about the future of tourism and, from the government, I think it's time for us to talk a little bit about data, right? Mr. Khalil mentioned about the Silicon Valley, so I think this is related to that as well. So before I start, I want to thank Hotelier for giving me an opportunity to, to participate in this forum. So when we talk about business intelligence and data, so like what we do these days, I asked ChatGPT, what are some of the key topics that comes out of, when you talk about business intelligence? So what we see is a lot about data and few areas that, we talk about analytics, predictive analytics, and today we deal with a lot of data, right? That we observe a lot of information. And so one of the things that we use for data analytics is like tools like Power BI, Tableau, and then we have AI and machine learning these days, artificial intelligence. And other topics that we have is, like data privacy and leakage of, information. And because of so much data, we have data fatigue and things like this as well. So let's talk a little bit, dive into this. So basically, how future of Maldives tourism, we are looking at how we can harness business intelligence data for our strategic growth, right? And leveraging data analytics to streamline and improve profitability. And also, it is going to change the market landscape, and data-driven decisions are going to make a big impact for us in understanding the industry and the operations. So we have been, so far, our approach in making business decisions has been a lot of intuition. And very little data has been used or analyzed in coming up with our decision-making process. What are the key components of business intelligence, right? There's the data collection process, data integration, data analytics, and reporting and visualization. So in order to enhance competitiveness, we are looking at operational efficiency, personalization of guest experience, revenue optimization, and so on. So in order to basically to utilize our business intelligence processes, we are there are various ways that, that will help us to leverage business intelligence in optimizing our resource utilization and also decision making. So this is, so basically here, I'll share some of the tools that, we have created in order to use data and, intelligence tools to really efficiently identify the business performance and understand the business without too much, wasting time on manual reports and stuff. So here we are looking at utilizing guest data for personalization, enhancing loyalty programs, and predictive analytics for guest satisfaction, and so on. So here we look at, for example, the booking trends and, analyze the market business demand, and then you are able to see how you're performing against previous years. I'm sure you all use this. So, and these are all connected, right? Data privacy and security, a lot of, nowadays we have so much of data, and when we look at some of the information that our employees have, it can be misused by our teams, right? So it is important that, we do employee training, data encryption, access controls, and compliance with the regulations. So managing data fatigue is also important, right? Nowadays, I think a lot of, the amount of data we get, it is, there's too much reports, too much, basically, dashboards and everything, right? So it results in data fatigue. So basically, it's there, but nobody is utilizing it, right? So it's important that we are looking at, we are doing this smartly so that, we are looking at the right, not too much overwhelmed with data, but, looking at the right information. So here we basically, BI can be a very strong tool for us to, BI tools can be used for making very smart decisions about, making our operations profitable. I think, BI also can give a big competitive advantage if we use it smartly. So thank you.